Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the next steps of our engineering design. We'll take a close look at the components, explain how each part works, and why these decisions matter in a real industrial project. Everything you'll see is based on practical experience, real process logic, and the goal to make the system reliable and easy to operate. Let's get started. At this point, I'm considering relocating these two pumps. Right now, they sit in the middle of the layout, but placing them closer to the building wall could free up space, simplify access, and make the whole pump block more organized. Later in the video, we'll see if this new position works better for piping and maintenance. The pumps are now in position, so let's start connecting the piping. I'll route the suction and discharge lines, check clearances, and make sure everything follows a clean and logical flow. From this side, access to the pump and storage tanks becomes much easier, making maintenance work faster and more comfortable for operators. These pumps transfer AdBlue from the storage tanks. One sends the product to the truck loading unit outside, and the other fills IBC plastic tanks through a hose. Because of that, I'm rerouting the discharge pipes from inside the building to the outside. Each discharge line has its own flow meter to measure the exact flow, so we can control and record how much AdBlue is pumped out. It's useful to have access from both sides of the pump for maintenance, so I'm adding a small hatch area here. This gives technicians enough space to walk around and perform repair work comfortably. This step isn't strictly necessary, but it helps me clearly visualize which walkways must remain empty, ensuring safe and comfortable access for operators. Now let's duplicate the walkway hatch. Here we draw two additional branches from the main line. It may not be clear why yet, but in the later videos I'll explain where these lines lead. I'm just remaking the AdBlue tank filling line so it sits on top of the discharge lines and aligns properly. As we can see, we now have a clear walkway to the vessels and two separate walkways leading to the pumps. I'm replacing some valves on the new lines. I'm not creating new piping, just relocating the existing lines into a more comfortable position. That's it for this part of the AdBlue explanation. We still have more to cover in the next videos, so stay tuned.